Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make teriyaki shrimp with broccoli, one of my favorites. So I'm hungry, I'm going to get to cooking. Alright y'all, to get started here, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in my pan here. Couple good spoonfuls there, because I like garlic. And then we're going to take probably, looks like 2.5, maybe 3 teaspoons of butter. Put that in there, and then put it on about a medium heat. I'm going to melt that all down. Once we get that all melted, I'm going to throw my broccoli in, cover it, let it just kind of steam and soften a little bit, and then we'll move on from there. Alright y'all, broccoli's been cooking for a little bit here. I did add just a touch of water to it to kind of help it steam a little better, but oh yeah, she's still a little firm, but looks good. So alright, let's grab me a bowl here. I'm going to take this broccoli out of the pan, and we're going to put the shrimpy in it. So now we'll put the shrimp, or put the broccoli back in and get the teriyaki sauce and stuff on it after we get the shrimp all cooked up. So alright, there we go, got most of that out of there. Got our shrimpy right here. Put them in there. I'm going to turn the heat up just a hair and get them cooked up, and we'll get to doing the teriyaki. Alright y'all, got them shrimp all cooked up. 99% of that water is all gone, so I'm just using store-bought teriyaki sauce here. So take that and dump that over that. I think we're going to need a little bit more. Good thing I got another bottle of it. Of course, I need to turn my heat down a little bit here. Okay. There's that one. And I like a little fish sauce in mine. Just I like the flavor, so I'll do a little bit of fish sauce there. And then a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit there. And then just a shake or two of soy. Soy. Okay. Take that, get our shrimp all coated in that. Alright, I'm going to take our broccoli, throw our broccoli back in there, get that all mixed in there, get that all coated up good. Make sure we got that garlic mixed in there good too. Alright. That's looking really good, y'all. I wish we had smell-o-vision, y'all. So, alright. Well, I'm just going to let her cook just a little bit more, let that sauce thicken up, and then we're ready to eat. Now, I was going to do rice with this, but trying to cut down on some of the carbs, so I'm ex-naying the rice tonight. You could do rice, or you could do teriyaki noodles, little Asian noodles there. Whatever, however you want to do it. This is how I'm going to eat it tonight. So, like I said, I'm going to let it cook down a little bit here and get a little thicker, and we'll do the old taste test. Alright, y'all. There you had it. A little broccoli and shrimp teriyaki. So, do the taste test now. So, get me a little piece of shrimp, a little piece of broccoli there. That is delicious. Shrimp are done perfect. Teriyaki sauce. Mwah. So, like I said, if you want, you could probably put it over some noodles. Some like a ramen noodle. I've used ramen noodle in the past. Some nice white rice. But, like I said, I'm trying to cut down. So, there it is. I did think about using riced cauliflower. I just didn't have any, so maybe next time I'll try that. But anyways, there you have it. Appreciate you all watching. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button or ring the bell. Get all the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, the tractor pulls, because we are tractor pulling now. We got Plan B up and running pretty good, so hope to see you all out there, watching that. And we'll catch you on a live stream, maybe Sunday night, 7 p.m. Come on in. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we are going to be making shrimp teriyaki.